BiGDUG have been 10 out of 10. Can't fault them. It saves rent space, floor space, to have all the racking put up. We approached BiGDUG to see what they could offer with regards to helping us with space. We didn't have to rent another unit, marking up pallets up high and down below with the cantilever as well to make it easier for staff to find equipment. Beforehand, the pallets were all individually put on the floor, and as you can see, they take up a lot of room, so we've got BiGDUG to come in and design this cantilever for us, and obviously you can see the space of 2 pumps now holds all of these instead. There's not many companies can do bespoke racking like this, and we knew that BiGDUG would be able to help us, and they have.